Hello friends, welcome back to the garden with me. Now if I'm sitting here, I can't see what's going on over there. Oh my gosh, I have to clean this rose vine right there, or rose trees there. I need to cut some stuff to give me more space. And of course those lilies here, those are lilies. I don't even know. I can't. Right here, it's gonna be this one right there. Yeah, that would be really nice. Really nice to see what's going on in the corner when I'm sitting here. But I still have to clean them, and I cut those things right here. Look at this. I'm cleaning, and of course I got some baby plants right here. And this mango tree, I transplanted her. She's acting up, but I hope she will be fine. If she's not, alright. I got so many mangoes. Look at those beautiful flowers. I'm glad I give those flowers some space for them to grow, because I think I'm gonna remove that one because I'm gonna give her more sun. If I give her more sun, and then I will have more beautiful dark purple flowers here. Yeah, that's it. That was what I was doing today. hmm Thank you friends for watching. See you for another garden video with me.